Hello, my name is Bart Kamski and this is Unreal Engine 4 minutes tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create 3D sounds surrounding our player to create three-dimensional audio texture in our game. Okay, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to have your sounds. I have mine here, but you can download these sounds in the link under the video. And if you already have it in your content browser, let's select one, press right mouse button and create cue out of it. I just delete the number and I have create cricket_cue. Let's open the cue and let's delete this one and let's select all of our sounds and just drag and drop to our cue. Let's select it in our graph and press right mouse button, start typing random. And since we selected our sounds, our random node is already connected to it. So we need to connect it to the output. And all we have to do is we need to enable attenuation. So we just override attenuation and use the default attenuation distance and attenuation spatialization settings here. So let's save it. Let's go back to the content browser. Let's open first person blueprints folder, and let's open first person character. We need to find our event begin play here, and we need to use sequence because there's already something plugged to it, and from our sequence that will split our event begin play we need to set timer. So let's set timer by event and let's create event. So from the red dot let's drag from it and add event, add custom event, and let's name it cricket. And this way our cricket will be spawned with the interval of time. So let's promote this to variable and let's set it up, let's say by 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds our sound will be spawned, but we need to enable looping so it will happen infinitely. And from the cricket we need to play sound at location. So just find this node here and we need to plug our sounds here. The best way is to go to the content browser, just select our cricket cue and use an arrow to apply our sound here. And we need to spawn our sound in given location. We want to spawn sound around our player along the circle with different random radius and random rotation. So we're gonna create this randomness, but it's going to be around our player. So first we need the location of our player. So we just get actor location, here it is, and we need to add our random location to this location. So we just need add node vector plus vector. Okay, and we're going to use rotate vector. Here is rotate vector node and we plug it here, and here is our vector. So if we split it, the first x going to be a radius, so we need random radius, random float in range, and let's set it up between 400 and 360. This is the range of our attenuation distance works. So, and if you know more about attenuation distance, here's the link to the tutorial I made about attenuation settings in Unreal. Okay, and we also need a random rotation. So this is the rotation. If we split it and we rotate the z-axis, we're going to have random rotation, random float in range as well, and random rotation going to be between 0 and 360 around the circle. And let's plug this here. And also this event will trigger after 2 seconds because our time is 2 seconds, but we need to also start with already playing cricket. So we plug the from the event begin play to play sound out location as well. Let's compile, let's save, and let's listen to it. Here we go. Here we have our sounds. If we rotate, they are in the place, in the 3D space. So that's how you create your 3D audio environment. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like if I help you just even a bit, and see you next time.